Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be unboxing my recent purchases from Prada and Miu Miu, and I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. If you like my content, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, black and gold style. I try to post at least 3 times a week, and I also update my Insta stories. It's been a while since I added a new pair to my collection, and the last one was from Dior, and I previously posted an unboxing video which I will link down for you guys in case you want to check it out. I felt like I needed to add some different styles, and these ones are so cool and so versatile. And also I really like the customer service at Prada. The staff is so friendly and so helpful. My essay is really nice. I actually like quite a few items from Prada. I love their fashion, their style. I will link down the shopping vlog when I went to the store, tried on the shoes and other things as well, in case you haven't watched it and want to check it out. I'm so happy that I have this style in my collection. I didn't have anything like that, and now I can create so many cool looks with it. I think I will also wear them to work. They are quite formal and edgy at the same time, and I think some of my friends will be surprised that I added this style. By the way, I was also given the socks. They are just in a black color and they are quite long. I think I would rather wear them with the white socks, but the black ones can also be a choice. And this is a dust bag. I like the design, but I wish Prada gave individual dust bag for each shoe for the price that I paid for them. They are not cheap, that's for sure. And here they are, so pretty. I was so happy that they had them in my size because I was a bit worried that they would be sold out. Actually, this design has been around for a while. I've seen pictures of them since 2021, which is quite interesting, but I only discovered them for myself recently. I absolutely love these loafers. I like that the heel is not very high. It's just a perfect height. And they are not very heavy in comparison to many other loafers that I saw. These come in several colors and different leather. There was patent leather as well. There are actually a few variations of these loafers. There are the ones that have a small platform, medium, that's the one that I got, and a high platform. I'm not a huge lover of the flat shoes. I don't always feel comfortable when wearing them. The tall would be too much, and perhaps it would be a bit too heavy as well, so the medium is just perfect for me. They're quite comfortable. I'm just obsessed with this style. They're so gorgeous, and I think that they're very timeless. I think I'll be able to wear them quite often. I think I'll be able to style them quite easily. I can see myself wearing them with tight trousers, oversized jacket, and white t-shirt. I think they're so edgy, and I also have a few leather dresses I could wear them with. And I can also wear them with my black maxi dress. I just love that look. I'm going to post a few pictures on my Instagram account, so if you guys are not subscribed, please consider to do so. My first impression of this, they feel quite comfortable. Otherwise I would not buy them, and they seem quite durable. I typically walk quite a lot, and it's very important for me to wear comfortable shoes, so I think these ones will be just perfect. Let's see, I'm gonna wear them for a while, and maybe I will post a review of how I still feel about them. And this is how they look on me with the black socks. As for the size, they go true to size. Even with the socks, I did not have to go half of the size up or the full size up. They're quite comfortable. and they look great with skirts, shorts, dresses, trousers, with everything. I absolutely love this style and I'm so obsessed with them. I think they're going to be my new favorite shoes. I just can't wait to style them with my outfits and post the pictures for you on my Instagram account. Moving on to the second item from my unboxing, and these ones are Miu Miu shoes that I absolutely love. I'm just so happy that I was able to get this in my size because they were not available in Singapore and the sales associate ended up transferring them for me from Hong Kong, which is so nice. I actually like the quality of Miu Miu shoes. I never had any issues and I find their designs quite comfortable to walk and their style is pretty cute as well. I find it very timeless and stunning. And I'm just so happy that I finally have them in my collection. I was so worried that I won't be able to get them in my size. I just love Miu Miu packaging. It's so nice. I'm so obsessed with these shoes. By the way, the heel is a little bit taller than I typically wear. I usually go for slightly shorter heels, but I think these ones are going to be okay. They are quite similar to the other shoes that I have. And in the past, I was able to walk in them the whole day, which is great and important for me. Patent is typically a bit more stiff, so it will take me some time to stretch them. I saw this quite some time ago. I passed by them and I featured them in one of my vlogs, but I never went to the store and tried them on. At first I did not have the time and then I got cold, but I'm so happy that I was able to go to the store and try them on. This will go with so many of my outfits. I have quite a few black and white dresses. I'll be able to wear them with this. I really love monochrome outfits. They even wrapped the pearl. And I just remove this and this. So gorgeous. The pearl is stunning. They feel quite comfortable. And they come in different colors. There was silver and black. There was mostly black and white at the top, but I think this combination is the coolest, so I got it. They are 60s style bloke heel. I just love this. I started buying mostly bloke heels several years ago because I'm so tired of getting caught in a drain and scuffing the edges, and it doesn't happen with such thick heels. I feel like this style of heel is a lot more durable and gonna last me much longer, so I'm so happy that I have them in my collection now. I have very similar shoes from Chanel. They are fully in white and I don't have this decoration, so it's just white like that. Mary Jane shoes. I have another pair of Miu Miu shoes. They are in blue suede. And this is how they look on me when I went to the store and tried them on. I just love them. Mary Janes are so timeless and so durable. In one of the recent collections, Chanel used to have similar design. However, I couldn't get my size. Unfortunately, the store in Singapore does not import my size or hardly ever. It has to be a special order. And that's how I was able to get my in white. I'm actually quite tempted to get another pair in the off-white and black. I think they're very cute as well, but I don't believe they have my size. I would probably have to import them from another country as well. And also the material is different. I think it's lambskin, so it could be a bit more sensitive. I would say that patent is definitely a lot more durable, and that's why I'm happy to get them in patent. And also especially that they are in a white color. I think the patent would definitely help. Anyways, I'm gonna think about the second pair. Thank you for watching. I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!